Look at the line on this Toshiba laptop. You see the screen is bad. You see that line on the screen? So look at how he changed the screen. Very simple. Remove the battery. You must remove your battery anytime you want to work on your PC. You see, you remove that front case. So you see the inches. You remove it gently. Remove the flares. You can see. Please share this video. Like the video. You can see. This is the old screen. This is the new one. You fix your screen, your flares. You have to couple the inches back. You see, it's very easy to change the screen. Once you have that line, you cannot repair it. It's just to change.